Today is going to be heavily vibe coding focused, and I am going to start off by showing you guys this hack. So, right here, if we go to Lovable, they have this thing up here that says claim credits from Anthropic and Stripe. So, in this partnership that they made with She Builds, they are, letting people claim $250 in credits for Stripe fees. And if you were in the AI Educate AI Lab, you would have got this as an announcement and as an announcement straight to your you know, your email. So bam. If you go to this page, um you will be able to apply for eligibility to Stripe startups. And Stripe startups, just like a bunch of other places, literally has so many perks to it. And I am using those perks, and this is one perk that I want to show you. So, going through the perks list, I'm about to bring it up right now. 1 second. Where do we find the perks at? Perks. 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 Is this it? Yes, it is. Okay, bam, right here. So if you go to this website and you get this screen right here, which I need to make sure that this is, I'm not sure what's going on with my display not refreshing on its own. But if you go to perks, then you can scroll down, you'll find a bunch. You have Arc cash management, 1650 back for 20,000 deposited. Like, these are some really really good perks. Mercury Google Cloud, 2,000 plus credits for your first year. That is crazy. That is crazy. I'm definitely going to take advantage of this. Um Quo, Brex, everything. But if you scroll down some more, you see OpenAI, okay? And you see this right here. It says 2 free ChatGPT business seats for 2 months. For 2 months, that means 60 days, okay? 60 days, you will be able to have more ChatGPT quota. You'll have a different workspace. You'll be able to try out the business plan. So, this is what I'm using to basically get unlimited OpenClaw usage with GPT 5.4. So 5.4, I've been using it lately. I actually have it running some stuff right now. I guess it came back with an error. I'm gonna say done, but GPT 5.4 has really been a very good model for me lately. Um, Hopefully my thing isn't broken. It might be broken because I have it running on stuff, and that's a long story. But if you click on here, it'll take you to the page, and I already signed up for my business workspace. So if you already have an existing workspace, you could just get 2 months for free. That'll save you $60. Well, really $120. And you get all of these benefits right here. So deploy agents, secure your space, all types of stuff, produce images, and you get more usage out of it. So if I go over here, um, let me just go to ChatGPT.com. Okay, so we're on the workspace right now. If I go to Codex, I haven't done anything in here, and we have some more usage. So I'm going to go to my other one as well, which, where is that one? Right here. So I'm going to go to my other one, and if I go to Codex, so this is my personal account. If I go to Codex, we go over here, we go to usage. I have 60% over here. So basically, for the next 2 months, I have some free usage that I will be able to use with literally the top model, or one of the top models in the world. I've heard a lot of people recommend using both 4.6 and GPT 5.4 when you're doing things. So having this extra usage for free for 2 months on the business plan is literally unlimited usage, for the next 2 months. So I'm gonna be taking advantage of this, and I want you guys to take advantage of it as well. So if you want the link, join the AI Educate AI Lab. The link is in the description, and you'll just go to the announcements. Ooh, excuse me. You'll go to the announcements, find the post, and you'll be able to get that right here. So um we're gonna stick inside of Lovable really quick just so we can get a feel for things. But it looks like they are live updating this. They've realized that a lot of people actually want to use their platform, and they're gonna get bombarded. So they're going through some errors. But um let's actually come up with an idea, and we're gonna get GPT 5.4 to help us. Matter of fact, we're gonna get Grok to help us come up with an idea. And the thing is, I've been using Grok for, like, little stuff like the swarm. I really like the swarm. I don't have heavy, but maybe we should start a free trial. Maybe we should start a free trial. Should we start a free trial? Let me see. Yeah. Let's start the trial. Let's start a trial. So we can use the the agents. I just like seeing a bunch of agents on Grok.